Thanks again for sticking around for this video series. In this episode, we are going to talk about location. So let's get started. Location for headsets, indoors. There you go. Really, if you're recording audio as well, so if you're a faculty member and you have a wired headset and you're going to be teaching and recording what you're doing, screen recording your audio, maybe putting it on a YouTube link, providing it to students as virtual reality education they can access anywhere without a headset, then you want to be in a place that doesn't have a big echo, right? You want to be in a place where you think about, you don't want to talk in a fishbowl, okay? You also want to have space. So, reason number 2 for indoors. These little IR trackers on here, even on these wireless ones, the sun's infrared rays are going to, and the UV rays are going to interfere with this. It's just not gonna work. They're gonna be bouncing around. It's not gonna track you. So you really want to be indoors. It can't be perfectly dark. It has to be a decently lit space, a normally lit office space. Okay, 15 feet by 15 feet minimum. That's what you want. Okay, because there are safety reasons and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so at your location, you don't want someone to trip on a book on the ground or a chair or a desk and then fall into your computer and either destroy the computer or hurt themselves. You want the floor to be soft, because if you drop a controller, while these are pretty robust, they are plastic and they will break. So maybe not concrete or linoleum, maybe you want to put something down. You're going to want to, if you have a wired headset, your location, the wire should go up, or you should purchase the wireless attachment, because the last thing that you need is someone to trip on the wire or get choked by the wire because they are walking around and spinning and turning, right? So you really want this to be up in the ceiling with, like, they have virtual reality cable tethering systems. They're not that expensive, but you do have to mount them to the ceiling, right? So you're going to want your facilities to kind of assist you with that. And you want this cable to be suspended above the person, so when they move, it kind of gives a little bit and then returns a little bit. Not too much tug. You don't want to pull on someone's head.
Thank you so much for watching another Skills Station video. Please click on the red subscribe button and then click on the bell to get notified when exclusive content drops. Comment below, let us know what you like and dislike, and I cannot wait to see you again in VR. See you on the next one. Just hanging out? Not sure if you're gonna go to the next video? Maybe click on one of these? Huh? Did you hit subscribe yet? You should. We got some good stuff for you.